Good morning students. Myself Babita Saxena, professor in EC department. Today's my topic is signal generator of unit 4. This is the topic of electronic instrumentation subject of electrical and electronics engineering. So in this lecture we will learn about the signal generators basics and the types of signal generators. So this is the syllabus of signal generator of unit 4. In this unit there is a various type of signal generator, but the most important is a standard signal generator, function generator, square and pulse generator, sweep generator, beat frequency oscillator. It is very important. Wave analyzer, heterodyne wave analyzer, harmonic distortion analyzer, and the spectrum analyzer. These instruments are very important as per the RGPB exam. So first of the signal generator. What is the signal generator? Signal generator is an electronic device which generate the repeating signal, electronic signal, which are used in testing, troubleshooting and the designing. So this type of instrument generate the electrical signals. Which type of electrical signal it can generate? This type of electrical signal it can generate sine wave, square wave, rectangular, sawtooth, step, pulse. These are very important signal as the purpose of testing. So these signals can be generated with the signal generator. So this is the common characteristics for the signal generator. The frequency of the signal generator should be well known and the stable. Amplitude must be constant and controllable. Output signal is free from the distortion. This is the simplest type of signal generator. This is the sine wave generator, sine wave generators, pulse, square wave generator, triangular wave generator and the sweep frequency generator. These are the types of signal wave generator. So this is the simplest type of sine wave generator. These are the frequency range of signal generators. This is the standard sine wave generator block diagram. This is the positive feedback oscillator. This is the basic standard signal generator, conventional, which used from many of times in the industry and the laboratory purpose. It produces the stable and controllable sine wave output. Sine wave output it can generate and used for the radio receiver and the transmitter. The important feature in the signal generator is the amplitude modulation and the frequency modulation. This is the basic feature in the every standard signal generator. These are the other features, and this is the basic block diagram of standard signal generator. RF oscillator, wideband amplifier, output attenuator, external oscillator and the modulation oscillator. These are the component. Thank you.